The Ace of Heart is generally a very positive and a very good card. It is generally a card of home. Home card is also called as the home card. It represents or signifies happiness and prosperity of family. It is also considered to be a lucky card, a card of protection. It can also signify a hotel, a happy family life, declaration of love, the soul, change of home, some new friends or relation or romance. As said earlier, it is a home card, positive energy, new opportunity, abundance. It can also signify a sale or purchase of home depending on the surrounding cards. It can also represent real estate business. So generally the Ace of Heart is considered to be a very positive and lucky card. Especially if it comes in a general love or an emotional reading, it can indicate a good and happy family life or positive things coming ahead in future. Overall, a very good card to get.